Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I have made myself, I'm so excited, I have made myself a spin table. Look. I've already done one painting. I'll show you a picture of it. I forgot to turn on the camera. We're going to try this again. I think I spun too hard, too fast, and had too much paint last time. This is a pour over. This is a metallic painting that I did. Though I think there's only one color in there. It wasn't metallic, but I just didn't like it. I was going for like a spacey theme, and I just didn't like it. So I'm gonna pour over it because I'm so excited. I gotta pour something. Let me see if that's same distance. Kind of hard to tell. I hope so. So I'm gonna give it a spin. Let me take my star sticks out of here. Get them out of the way. I've mixed this a little thicker than the last one that I did because I think that was actually a little too thin. It seemed to blend out a little too much. So we'll see how this goes. Uneven, it's going uneven. Probably because my table's not level. It's really going uneven. I don't know what to do about that. Probably because I'm putting more paint on one side than the other. That could probably be it too. Well, this is not going to work. Did not have them thin enough. Gonna look spider webby. Let's see what happens now. Too much black. Since it is just black and white on top of metallics, I might just leave it like it is. I may just have to leave it like it is. Because now, I think I've got about all the paint on there I want to put on there, actually. So, let's see. Okay. This is messy. So now I have spots of black all over the floor, but that's okay. I got spots of black all over the floor anyway. So I'm going to take it down and show it to you. And y'all tell me what you think. I actually think it'll look fine even as a pour over just the way it is. For some kid in my family, because kids don't care. You know. So, hang on a second. Let me take the camera down. Thank you for watching. Okay, so this is how it looks from up top, and it looks like a big splat, but I can't get over how 3D that looks right in the middle. I really think that's cool looking. I mean, it could have been better. This is like my second one, so I have no idea what I'm doing. It's a learning process, so that's how it looks. I think I'm gonna let it dry like this. See what happens. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. I thank you for watching, subscribing, for commenting, and I appreciate the positive feedback so much. And I just want y'all to know that. Thank you.